For the first lab, we are going to do wiring forward motor, forward 450 motor, right? So we are going to draw our wiring, our lab, our PLC diagram on CX programmer. So CX programmer. So we draw the start button, stop button, and this is the contactors and the holding circuit, right? After we set up the type of the PLCs and the I/O table of our PLCs, then we online, and then we transfer the program to the PLCs. Okay, this one the icon. After we transfer, we change the program to run. Okay, run, right. So the PLC input, for this PLC, we are using the internal supply 24 volt DC. And for the outputs, the PLC is using relay output, meaning we can use either AC or DC supply. In this case, our contact is using 48 volt. This contactor is using 48 volt AC. So as the control, we are going to use 48 volt AC external source, okay, from the workbench. The 48 volt is from the workbench, right? After we connect all the inputs and output the PLC, we can do the I/O testing on the inputs, right? What is the I/O testing? To see whether the connection is right and whether it is normally open or normally closed. Okay, so this one example, the start button. So it is normally open. Okay, and also you can see on the input it is blinking. When you turn on, this is normally open. The stop button should be normally closed, and also the TOR connection should be normally closed. For the TOR, the connection for normally closed is 98, 98 and 97. Right? Okay. For the motor control, this is industry motor, meaning we are using 3-phase supply to turn on the motor. In this case, we are using star connection. Okay, star connection because we are using 415. So we are not changing the connection to star delta. It's just a basic star only, right? Okay. For safety, we are going to use fuse, and also thermal overload relay. This is a safety for the equipment, right? So we test on the power first. We test on the control first before we test on the power side. Okay, when we turn on the supply, the contactor will turn on. Press the push button stop. The contactor will turn off. Okay, again turn on, and we turn off. We press the TOR switch to test whether when it is short, the contactor will turn off or not. Right? Again, so it's working. It will turn off the contactor. Now we test on the power side on the meter together with the control. Right? Forward direction only. Okay. If you turn on the motor start button, the motor will rotate. Turn off the stop button, the motor will stop. Again, if you turn on the motor will turn on. If you press the TOR, the motor should stop. So meaning your circuit is in correct wiring. Okay, thank you.